Hey everyone, Blau aka Cove here, and today we're going over a way for you to allow your viewers to pay bits to change your lights, all using our Lumia Stream Twitch extension. Let's get started. So if we open up Lumia Stream and we go to Commands, Twitch Extensions, and we go to Download Extension, you'll see a button to download the extension. It will open up directly in Twitch. If you're already logged in, you could just press Install and Configure. And now my configuration is complete, but if it's not complete, you may have to go back to Lumia and go to global settings and turn on global state. Make sure this button is on. And if everything works correctly, then you'll see that configuration is complete. So once it's all complete, we can literally test it out right here. Make sure our lights turn red and it's working. Perfect. So I'm going to activate this and set it as my panel. You can set it as a component if you want, but I'm going to set it as panel 1. So this is a bug with Twitch. There's a bug where Firefox cannot allow Twitch extensions to be installed for some reason. We don't know what the issue actually is, but you can open up a different browser like Chrome and install it on there instead. So I'm just going to refresh my Twitch channel on Chrome, activate it, set it as panel 1, and it activates immediately. Then you can switch back to Firefox because everything else works from there. So now if we go back to our Twitch channel, refresh, you should see the Lumia Stream extension show up right away. So, it loads up immediately and then we could test it out again. Now you can also test out bits on your own channel, but it will not take any actual bits from you. So if I activate my bits, you'll see broadcaster cannot use bits on their own channel. So this will not take any bits. Success. And then that, redeem also won't be added to the leaderboard. So it won't be added under the bits or the top commands. So one more thing we're going to do is take in that viewer's prompt and then display it as a chatbot message right here and as a text speech. So I'm going to go back over to Lumia Stream, go to police, and I'm going to disable chatbot, because I'm going to use it inside of a Lumia action. So I go to Lumia actions, and then for the type, I'm going to do chatbot message. I'm going to say user said, and I'm going to use a variable called prompt. And prompt just means the user's message that was prompted. So the user said prompt. I'm going to copy this because we're going to use it also in text to speech. I'm going to press add Lumia, and I'm going to add one more text to speech. So user said prompt, the voice option is Brian, and the volume 100%. Let's go for it. Press apply, refresh. And now if I trigger police again, I'm going to say, wow, this is a cool test. And I'll press activate. So now you heard the text to speech and you also see the chatbot. You'll see Aha Cove showing up here because this is a custom chatbot, which we went over in another tutorial that we'll link to. But yes, that's why I've shown it, but Aha Cove is my chatbot. But yeah, it's literally that simple. There's nothing else really you need to do. You combine all of our other tutorials together. You can have a shout out command. You can have, someone tweeting from your own Twitch extension, on your own channel or a different channel. You could have Spotify playing. You can allow a user to add to a Spotify playlist and so on and so forth. You get the idea. Combine everything we have together in one and make a nice Lumia soup. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video and you want to see more. We have a ton of more tutorials, so check those out, and we hope you all have a luminous day.